Yeah, I don't know what they did here. Somebody spray painted it though. It looks like trash. And it's just really unfortunate, you know, when you get people out here that just don't know what they're doing, somebody's gonna have to pay for all that. So out here, the main goal is, you know, we want to get the homeowners in the house. We need to pass the frame inspection. The insulation company's lined up, drywall company's lined up. Everybody's lined up. It's just a matter of just keep trucking until we get over that hill. And once we get over that hill and we can start getting some other trades in here to close the house up and do all of that stuff, it'll start moving a little bit better. The homeowner will get to see a little bit more progress. Because again, other than it being blue now, it still looks exactly the same as it has looked for the past 6 or 7 months. They had an exterior staircase over here. It was built incorrectly. So the building inspector came out, took a look at it. It's like either rebuild it or tear it out. So we ended up tearing it out. Just stuff that, you know, to come through and try to figure it out afterwards, it's like, it's just such a waste. Here's the stairs. I mean, here, it's a big trash pile now. Now we reframed all of these stairs because again, they were just improperly framed. So that's all been redone now. So these are all new stairs. Oh, this feels way better. Last time we walked through the property had holes in the subfloor. So we went through and put new pieces. This was all open at one time. So it just got rained on. Poured on. When you come in here, any spot where you see white, it's because it had mold or fungal growth on it. So we had to go through and clean every single piece of wood in here, and we'll clear it up. And then once it dries, we'll seal it up with a fungal growth sealer so that way it doesn't come back, because the temperature in here is still 80s, 90s. So it's just an easy way to do it. You'll read all of it. Don't use bleach on it. Don't this, don't that. Bleach it's water-based. So what ends up happening is when you go to bleach it, it looks like it's gone, like it kills the growth. But the water from the bleach solution allows it to just spore right back up. So we'll get calls and homeowners are in there with bleach like underneath their sinks and trying to bleach that stuff out. And they'll kill, or it looks like they've killed what's on the surface, but it's still growing because you're throwing water on top of something that needs water in order to grow and blossom more. So the process we use is a simple process. It kills it. The fungal growth guy comes out, takes a look, signs off on it. We give that to the building department and we're all set. This is wasted time that these people could be in here making their memories, getting their life back in order, because right now they're living in a little house. There's like 5 or 6 of them living in this little house, waiting on their big 4,000 square foot house to be done. That unnerves me a little bit, you know, and that's what motivates me to get this thing done. It's not about the money for me on this. It's about, let's do the right thing, get these people in the house, let them move on with their life. He's a veteran. They're taking care of their grandkids, 3 granddaughters. It's like, come on, let's keep this thing going. So to see it just kind of dead in the water out here, it's a little disheartening, but it allows us some peace and quiet to walk through and kind of take a look at it and make some calls when we leave here.